Men who don't talk to God ends up listening to everybody else. You can always tell when a man stops praying. A man with no connection to God starts moving off impulse, thinking it's leadership when it's really desperation. When I talk to God, my decisions are sharp, but when I don't, I start second guessing everything. Because without him, you start asking the world for direction, and the world is already lost. So what in the world are they gonna help you with anyway? That's a bar. It's like most men wanna lead, but don't wanna listen. If you wanna be taken serious, start being someone worth following. Listen, I don't pray because I'm soft. I pray because I know what happens when I don't. A man who talks to God walks in rooms different. He's calm, focused, people coming for him, but he's unshakable. So if you want real power, get your guidance from above, not your comment section.